Let's look at the design and main features of the new Sorento. First, you'll notice the powerful yet stylish exterior design. In particular, the tiger eye design of the grille and headlamps creates an assertive, intense front view. The simple front bumper and LED fog lights flow naturally into the large, powerful wheel design. With a longest-in-class wheelbase, the dynamic side design features simple, direct lines that appear sporty and solid. The flag-type outside rear-view mirrors help to improve forward and side visibility. The rear wiper is concealed by a spoiler, and the rear lamps are arranged vertically. Maybe that's why the rear design looks bold yet sophisticated. You can easily open or close the power tailgate using buttons. Adjust the tailgate opening height by hand to your preferred level. Then press the power tailgate close button and hold for 3 seconds to set it. Or you can use the door menu of the infotainment system to set the opening height, or even the opening speed. Once inside, you'll immediately notice the robust design and cutting-edge technology. The large screen cluster, which offers options for visually engaging themes, and the intuitive infotainment system show how smart and sensitive the design is. Ambient light creates a comfortable and sophisticated cabin interior and allows you to choose from 7 basic colors, or 64 colors in total. Try selecting a profile. Features including multimedia, seat position, and outside rear-view mirror angle will immediately adjust to your preferred settings. You can choose from a variety of driving modes to suit your driving preferences or road conditions. Choose between the soft, comfortable driving of Comfort Mode, Eco Mode for economical driving, Sport Mode for dynamic driving, or Smart Mode, which adapts to suit conditions and your driving style. Terrain Mode controls the all-wheel drive, engine, transmission, and braking system to improve performance in snow, mud, or sand. It adjusts the distribution of torque to the front and rear wheels to maximize traction and provide sufficient power when starting to move. The sensitive dial-type shift-by-wire lets you shift easily with the touch of a hand. The Sorento's cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and other cutting-edge technology help you drive safely. It offers the most interior space in its class, as well as a variety of conveniences. You'll notice the generous legroom and luxurious upholstery, as well as the comfortable, upscale environment. There are seatback USB ports for convenient phone charging from the second row, while a variety of storage spaces are provided for personal belongings or beverages. Press the walk-in switch on the bottom or top of the second row seat. The seat will automatically fold down and move forward for easy access to the third row. The flat door scuff and assist handle make accessing the third row even easier. For child safety, even the third row offers child seat anchor points. The electric seat folding button on the right side of the trunk opens up a generous cargo area with plenty of room for your belongings. Now you can sit back, relax, and set out on a journey with your Sorento.
I'm Sina Makyun. Today I present to you how Kia's flagship midsize SUV, Kia Sorento, is better than ever in its fourth generation. Since its launch in 2002, the Sorento model has sold globally more than 3 million versions, making the 7-seat SUV a big success for Kia. Now, more powerful, progressive, and spacious than ever, the new Kia Sorento raises standards in its class when it comes to efficiency, comfort, and technology. Let's take a closer look at the new Kia Sorento. Sporty, bold, and modern, the new Sorento has a massive presence on the road. It has straight lines, boldly sculpted surfaces, and accentuated corners that define its masculine design character. The signature tiger nose grille in glossy black is filled with strong trapezoidal shapes and connects subtly with the sleek full LED headlamps. The LED daytime running light, separated from the modules of the headlamp, gives the front an intense impression and also functions as a turn signal. The lower air intake in glossy black that at each end extends into the air curtain garnishes has a wing-shaped dynamic design and houses the LED fog lamps. Finally, the front is complemented with a sporty bumper lip and a silver skid plate. The rear of the Sorento, as sporty as its front, features a bumper garnish that is designed in a way to mimic sporty tailpipes at each end. Striking design elements on the rear are the vertical LED tail lamps, and centered on the tailgate, the model name Sorento in capital chrome finish letters. The rear wiper that is typically found in this area is hidden inside the roof spoiler, making the rear of the Sorento look very clean and modern, and improving rear visibility for the driver. On the side, the roof rails, the cladding along the body, and increased distance between the tires and wheel arches accentuate Sorento's SUV character. Sorento comes available in 10 different paint finishes and only in alloy wheels ranging up to 20-inch. Few glossy black and satin chrome design elements on the side emphasize Sorento's sportiness and premium elegance. The sleek signature daylight opening graphic and the enlarged wheelbase make the new Sorento look much longer. With an increase in legroom by 93 mm, passengers of the second row seats benefit the most from Sorento's enlarged wheelbase. Asymmetric, flat-folding rear seats slide individually, so you can suit your Sorento according to your needs, be it passenger, bulky loads, or both you want to carry. To avoid stress for you and your loved ones, Sorento is filled with plenty of convenience features. Take the Smart Power tailgate, or the one-touch buttons in the cargo area that enable you to remotely fold the second row seats. Why walk the extra steps when the fingers can do the job? The new Sorento comes available with up to 2,100 liters of cargo capacity behind the first row seats, and as such maintains its position as having one of the most competitive cargo capacities in its class. The new Kia Sorento comes available in 3 different powertrain options: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and diesel. The hybrid, recognizable by the eco-hybrid emblem on the tailgate, is powered by a 1.6 turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine and an electric motor that delivers a combined power output of 230 PS. The plug-in hybrid Sorento, available later on in the year, powered by the same TGDI engine and a more powerful electric motor, kicks out a whopping 265 PS in total. Both systems are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The diesel Sorento is powered by a 2.2 TGDI engine and delivers a power output of 202 PS. It is mated with Kia's newly developed 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. All 3 powertrains provide all-wheel drive capabilities. Performant and equipped with Kia's SmartStream powertrain technology, they deliver the promise of enhanced fuel economy, engaging drivability, and lower CO2 emissions. All 3 powertrains come available as a 7-seater, which gives the Sorento a unique position in its segment. With its lounge-like feel-good ambience, The Sorento cabin is very inviting. The dash and door panels are sculpted to emphasize its strong SUV character, and sophisticated materials are used throughout the cabin. A few worthwhile to mention are the quilting Napa leather seats in black, a black roof liner with customizable mood-light interlinked satin look dash and door garnish, a large horizontally expanding glossy black garnish houses the twin displays, the fully digital 12.3-inch driver instrument cluster, and the 10.25-inch high-resolution wide touchscreen. A rotary dial-type gear selector that features shift-by-wire technology and a parking brake that is engaged electronically with the touch of a button contribute to an ergonomically advanced interior. The Terrain Drive Mode Select dial, positioned on the center console, enables the Sorento to handle well on difficult-to-manage road surfaces such as snow, mud, and sand. Uvo Connect, the Kia brand's innovative telematics system, is making its introduction to the Sorento. Supported by Kia Live Services, the system provides live information on traffic, weather forecasts, points of interest, and parking information, such as price, location, and parking availability. Uvo Connect provides diagnostic data on the Sorento and information on trips taken. It enables the drivers to send route directions to their Sorento and to check on the location of their vehicles. The new Kia Sorento aims to maintain its 5-star performance at Euro NCAP, thus provides access to a wide range of safety and advanced driving assistance technologies. For example, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, and vehicle detection, including detection of approaching vehicles of oncoming traffic when making a left turn at an intersection. Blind spot view monitor that assists the driver when changing lanes by projecting a real image of their blind spot right in front of their eyes. And Sorento offers Remote Smart Park Assist, a parking convenience technology that enables the driver to remotely maneuver their Sorento into a tight parking spot via the controls on the smart key fob. The new Sorento has much more to discover, so stay tuned to experience the full array of technologies and features the new Kia Sorento has on offer. You will be impressed.
Kia, the power to surprise.
Congratulations on becoming a Sorento owner. This video will tell you how to set up your vehicle for safe and comfortable driving. First, adjust the seat and steering wheel to fit your height. Sit back in the seat. When you completely depress the brake pedal, your knees should be slightly bent, and your wrists should be able to touch the farthest part of the steering wheel. After adjusting the angle of the outside rear-view mirrors, set the head-up display height to eye level. Press the Setup button to go to the Settings menu, then the Vehicle Settings menu, and under Head-Up Display, tap Display Control. You can adjust display height, rotation, and brightness. To save your seat, outside rear-view mirror, and head-up display settings, press the Set button. Then press the button for the number you want to save under. Swipe left on the infotainment home screen to see the full menu, where you can set up a variety of vehicle functions. For instance, tap Navigation to access a variety of convenient navigation features. To save a frequent destination, tap a label at the bottom of the screen. Search for the location and tap OK. To pair a Bluetooth device, go to Phone Connection in the Settings menu. Tap Bluetooth Connections, then Add New. Select the functions you want to use and activate Bluetooth on the device. Select the name of your vehicle from the list to create a passkey number. Once you make sure the passkey numbers match and approve the pairing, you're finished. Do you have a favorite color? In the Vehicle Settings menu, tap Lights to set the brightness and color of the interior ambient light. Sounds of Nature offers a choice of pleasant, relaxing ambient nature sounds. On the Vehicle Settings screen, tap Driver Assistance. Go to Parking Safety and select Active Assist. When backing up, the vehicle will automatically brake to avoid a collision. Have you finished setup? Now you can enjoy driving your Sorento.
Subscribe to Auto TV.